Welcome back to Stock and Drop. Today we are in full-fledged C10 Fall Revival Crunch. Got the truck up on jack stands, got a few leaks underneath I need to attend to, but I've been working on the interior. Went to USA One the other day, picked up some interior parts, got some of them installed, gonna put the headliner, need to put the dash back together, all the trim for the headliner, and then hopefully get it cleaned up and take it for its first test drive. All right, so I got this wood grain insert from USA One and the map pockets. These are the original door panels. I was gonna paint them. I'm gonna try to clean them up a little bit. I did clean them up already some, but for now, I'm gonna roll with that. Got the other side done as well, and now we're gonna try to get the headliner in this truck. I wasn't gonna worry about it too much, but it looks horrible. So we picked one up. I'm gonna try to get it in today. All right, so here's the new headliner that I got from USA One the other day. I've got to cut out for the dome light inside. I got a new cover for that. So I'm gonna get that and try to get this thing put in the truck. All right, so got the headliner stuck up in there. Got the way I done it, I don't know if it's the correct way, but I put the front trim piece there at the windshield on loosely and then set it up in place and then put the back trim piece on. That's kind of what holds the majority of the headliner. The surround holds it also, but it was kind of a pain to do by yourself. I got my wife out here to lend me a hand to hold this headliner up in place so I can get some of the screws started in the trim. I'm currently working on the driver's side trim. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Finding the holes that was already there is not fun. I've been using a little straight pick, trying to find the holes, and I don't want to punch a bunch of holes in the headliner either, but if anybody's got a better way of doing this, drop it in the comments and let me know. Hopefully this will all be done today, because I need to move on to putting the dash back together, dash bezel, a few things under the dash I need to finish up, and then the interior should be done. And then I've got to get it on the ground, and like I said, the engine, transmission, everything works. I've not driven it yet, so hopefully the next video I'm gonna be test driving this thing and making sure it's going up and down, which it was, and make sure the engine, everything's good. May change the oil in it. Just trying to get some things buttoned up. All right, so got the headliner installed, all the trim panels, let's see, on the A and the B pillar. Got the back piece installed. I've got to get a bulb for the dome light, and I've got a new cover for the dome or interior light. Got the dash put back together. I did crack a little place on it. I will be getting a new one soon. We're gonna run the stock one, or the one that came with this truck for now. So that kind of wraps up the interior on this truck. Got more stuff to do, plenty to do. This truck still has to be washed. I'm gonna run a buffer over it with the Sweet Patina Century polish. What else? This truck is still untested. I've pulled it in and out of the shop and everything works, but it has not been down the road. So I'm planning on one night getting this thing back off of jack stands and probably just gonna take it around the block here in my neighborhood and maybe bring it up to speed, make sure there's no funny vibrations or anything really going on crazy. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Been out here about every night trying to get stuff done. If you are going to C10 Fall Revival, that is in 2 weeks, October the 17th and 18th. I plan on bringing this on Saturday, the way it stands right now. Got to work Thursday, Friday, so I'm taking that Saturday off to be there. So I'm planning on, I think me and Chuck's planning on rolling out early Saturday morning, get there, get set up. I've got a limited number of stickers. If you want one, stop by. They'll be on probably just stick them under the windshield on the truck. Grab them. We appreciate it. So really looking forward to this. If you're on the fence about going to Fall Revival, get off of it because you need to be there. It is probably the best show on the East Coast, I would say. It's my favorite show of the year by far. Haven't been to many shows this year because I've been messing with this truck, and hopefully next year I'll get this thing more dialed in and be able to get more local stuff, smaller shows. We will be at C10 Resurrection, as far as I know. That will be in April. I don't know if they've released the dates on it, but C10 Fall Revival crunch is real. Man, this truck has fought me tooth and nail. Even putting these interior pieces in, I don't know what it is. I just couldn't find the holes for the screws. And it's just every single thing I do on this truck has fought me. But we're gonna get it sooner or later. But we appreciate you watching. We will see you on the next one. Hopefully the next one, this truck will be off jack stands and running down the road, and we'll start getting it cleaned up. But we'll see you next time.